Hi, this is Mahajan Computers based in Kurukshetra, Haryana, India. At the very outset, let me tell you the brief profiles of its instructors. Anand Mahajan has worked as a senior faculty at Aptech, a renowned computer education company, and he has worked there for many years. He has also worked in the same capacity at NIIT, another giant computer education company. Now, as far as Neena Mahajan is concerned, she has dispensed her services at SPN College based in Punjab, a state in India. She worked there as assistant professor in computer science department. She also worked in the same capacity at the Smash College, which is also based in Punjab. Both of them prepare courses for udemy.com, one of the biggest online training companies based in California, USA. They have published courses mainly in Python, C, C++, Core Java, Advanced Java, HTML, etc. Mathematics Fundamental course has also been published. Their courses have been joined by thousands of students. These students are from India, USA, UK, Poland, New Zealand, etc. They have come up with an irresistible offer for online programming students. They have created highest discount coupons for their all courses. If you buy any one of them, you will get a course absolutely free. And what more, there is going to be a 30 days money back guarantee. There have been rave reviews by scores of students. Now, their various online courses are: one is Python. The name of the course is Python Learn the Coolest Way. Python is the language which is widely used by companies across the globe. Python professionals are high in demand. Now, another course is Programming in C, the complete course. It won't be an exaggeration if C is called the mother of all languages. In almost all IT and computer science courses, C is taught as they say. If you are comfortable in C, there is no looking back. Then comes object-oriented programming in C++. C++ gives you command in OOPS-based coding. OOPS is actually a paradigm for coding, and it stands for Object-Oriented Programming System. Next comes Learn Complete Java, Core and JSP and Servlets. Now, Java is one of the most robust web development technology. Next course is Learning HTML Step by Step. HTML knowledge is a must for anyone aspiring to go into web development or web designing. Then they have got courses like MS Excel from beginners to experts and Learn Fundamentals of Mathematics. What more, they have come up with money back guarantee for 30 days. It's a totally risk-free courses. These are totally risk-free courses. That means you're not going to take any risk. If you do not like the course, you can get your money back within 30 days. And they are committed to quality. That means they are committed to you. And as far as Python course is concerned, its discounted coupon code is Mahajan, MAHAJAN. And for all other courses, discount coupon code is 91-98121 64949. This is their telephone number also. If you want to contact them, you can contact them at this number also.